You measure my style, my slang, my talk, my train of thought, my clique, my crew, my gang, my family, my heart, my sound, my clothes, my sneaks, my raps over beats, my message, my speech, my lessons to teach, my thesis, my peace with the audacity to beef, my limits, my reach, my boundaries, my leash, my enemies, my frenemies, my energy on stage, my character, my role, my position, my place, my status, my sales, my quotas, my habits, my veils, my motives, my paraphernalia, my soul controlling my bills and what I owe you, my honesty, my facial expression, my temper, my anger management, my patience with stress and pretenders, my credibility, my salvation. Funny how you measure my love when you are hating. You measure my sins, my image, and my negative behavior. Now when you measure us, do it with the Savior. We are one.